image sprite CSS. So image sprite nothing but a collection of images into a single image. Collection of images put into a single image to a single image. So for example, you are implementing one example, one website, and number of images to display, so that the website takes long time to load. Okay, and burden on very burden on server also, so that you can create image sprites, okay, sprite images, and into a single image. Okay, all images into a single image, and you can load only one image, and you can display wherever you want to display a particular image. So a web page with a number of a web page with a number of images, number of images, number of images. It can take take long time to load, so that it will generate the multiple server requests, multiple server requests to reduce the burden on server, to reduce burden on server. So we can create sprite images, and display on web pages. Okay, so by using image sprites, we can reduce the number of server requests. So image sprite nothing but a collection of images put into a single image. So for example, CyberSys website. Okay, so in this website, here we have, okay, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and Google Plus images. Okay, so 4 links is there, but this is only one image, and this one image is split into the different parts. Okay, so like this we can display images by using image sprites. Okay, we can split the image into different parts. For example, we need to create one sprite image, like so already one image is there. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay, so number of images is there. Okay, we can split this image, and wherever you want to display particular image by using image sprite CSS concept. For this, you can create one HTML form. image sprite. Okay, so I want to display Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn images in different links. Okay, but image is single image, but we want to separate this image. Just create links for by using HTML order list. Create links for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, so if you run this example, normally list items are displaying. Okay, so but I want to apply images for this instead of bullets. Okay, Facebook image and Twitter image and LinkedIn image. For this, we need to copy this image. So already one example is there. Okay, so like this we can display. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So in this example, we are using this image. Okay, sample sprite set1.png. So that one. So we can copy this image into our project folder, CSS. So refresh this. Okay, so social logos is there. And create here class name, menu, style, menu, list style type. First of all, list style type none. Okay, and refresh this. Okay, list style type none, and we need to apply this class name here, class menu. Okay, so that no list style type. Bullets is removed. And next we can apply and font size, font family for this link items, list items. Dot menu and li. Okay, so this is class name. Okay, in this class name li element is there. In this class name li element is there, so that we are applying css classes, css properties to this list item. Okay, and adding 5 pixel for list items. And next, font size 15 or 16 pixel. And next, font family. Okay, so font family, and refresh this once again. Okay, so font type is applied, font style. And next, so we can take anchor tag for this links, anchor tag with the class name, no class. Okay, so in li element, links is there. Links with href tag, okay, empty tag. Okay, so links is there. So one more class, menu, li tag. In li tag we have anchor tag. Okay, in menu class li tag is there. In li tag one anchor tag is there, and one more is you can take div for Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, div tag. Okay, div with the class name Facebook, and here class name Twitter, and class name LinkedIn. Okay, so we need to create these classes, and here menu class and li element, anchor tag, and one more div tag is there. So for this div tag, so we have to apply some CSS properties, height 50 pixel, and between links line height also 50 pixel, and display inline block, and padding, so padding left 40 pixel, and color. Okay, so text color so you can, this is the color code, and width for div 40 pixel, and next div background URL, and social image, sample sprite set1.png and no repeat. Okay, so once refresh this example. Okay, so image is applied, but we need to set this. So one more class is in menu class, li element, and anchor tag. In anchor tag div class, div element with Facebook class name, and background position. So we need to check this. The background position. Okay, width 0 pixel. Okay, background position. Ten pixel and 20 pixel. So here see image is moving in Facebook link. Okay, Facebook. Okay, so Facebook is set here. So you can copy this, paste here. So that Facebook is completed. And again Twitter and LinkedIn. We need to set these links also. So only one image, but we are splitting image into separate parts. Dot image class and li element. In li element we have div class with Twitter class. Div element with Twitter class. Okay, same background position, but here also Facebook is displaying. So that we can change these pixels. For second one. Okay, so that we can move this image. Okay, 2 pixel and minus 30 minus 37 pixels. And one more thing, LinkedIn dot image class, menu class, and li element, anchor tag, div element with the LinkedIn class, and same background position. Okay, so we need to change this background position. Okay, so LinkedIn minus 75 pixels. Okay, so all are 37 pixel right side, but left side uh, 75 2 pixel and 37 pixel. So like this we can change the background position of image, and we can display one image into different links. Okay, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. So this is also very important concept. So this is the advantage of image sprites. Okay, so we can reduce the burden on server. Okay, we can reduce the multiple server requests, and the application performance is very good. So like this we can do one example for today. Okay, so this is the assignment image sprite. You can download any one image from Google. uh, Sprite images. Okay, so you can download any one image from here and do an example. And next one is navigations in CSS, navigation bars. So these navigation bars are very important for any website. Navigation bars are very important for any website. For any website. Suppose if you want to redirect from one page to another page within the website, so we need navigations. Okay, for example, so here Cybersys website. Okay, I want to redirect from home page to another any web form. Okay, so this is the menu. So home, company, solutions, services, and contact us industries. So okay, like this. Okay, so we can redirect from one page to another page by using navigations. So these navigations are two types. First one is horizontal navigations and vertical navigations. Navigations are very important concept for any website. First one is horizontal navigations. And second one is vertical navigations. Okay, so vertical navigations. So vertical navigations, horizontal navigations are, so real-time example is this is horizontal navigation bar, and here contact form and website feedback, locations and email. So this is vertical navigation bar. Okay, and vertical navigation bar and horizontal navigation bar. So okay, so we can create one example by using horizontal navigation bars. horizontal navigations. Okay, for navigations we can use anchor tags, another list or order list. Okay, we can use another list, to implement navigations. Okay, so that here I'm taking another list. So this is our example web form. In this example we have menus. First of all, home, menu, and li home, next news or company. And products and li anchor tag, products and services. Okay, so in this website, okay, in our example web form, so this is the menu, home menu, company, okay, company, products and services. So okay, we can implement menus by using CSS properties. Style, another list, okay, by using element selector.
Prasad,
Yes,
yeah, what is that HREF equal as?
so here we have to give the path to redirect okay, one page to another page. Okay, so already this is completed in HTML.
Okay.
Okay, here we have to give the path, home page and company page, products page, services pages. Okay,
The specified URL.
we need to specify the URL. So, but
Okay.
this is the empty URL hash.
Okay.
Hmm. And the list style type. First of all, we need to write this property, list style type none. Okay, there is no list style type, and margin 0, and padding also 0, and overflow hidden. And next, background color. So I'll run this example. Okay, so this is the links, home link, company, products and services. And next, for li element, float left, so that all elements are displayed in horizontal. Okay, so home, company, products and services. And one more CSS class is li element. There is a tag and display inline block and color white and text align, center align and padding 14 pixel and 16 pixel. Okay, padding and text decoration none. So refresh this form. Okay, home, company, products, services. And one more class is li element with a hover, a hover and a background. So background color red color. Okay, so once refresh this form and check this. Okay, background color. Whenever mouse hover on the particular link, the background color is red color. And one more class is, so if you have submenus for this menus, for example, so for company is there overview, mission and services, plans to delivery. So there is a submenus. So if submenus is there, you need to write some more CSS properties. For example, for services, list of products, services, class, drop down class. Okay, so when you click on services menu, you will get submenus and the class is drop button, drop btn and the class drop down content.
వచ్చిందా ఫోన్?
A tag and the href, empty tag and services Okay, business, big data and cloud. Okay, you can take 2 minutes. Big data and cloud. Here you can apply CSS class drop down button. Okay, drop down button. And next in hover class dot drop down class and a drop btn class. And next drop down content. Display none and position absolute. And next background color for the submenus. Background color. And next minimum width 150 pixels. Okay, box shadow. Zero pixels and zero pixels. Okay, once refresh this. Okay, service is selected. And one more class we have to write. Dot drop down content and class A for anchor tags. Color black and padding 12 pixels and 16 pixels. Text decoration none and display block and text align left. Okay, and refresh this one. Okay, so submit is on displaying. And one more CSS is drop down class hover and drop down content. Okay, display block. Okay, so big data and cloud is displaying. And if submenus is there, so in submenus display like this, and normal menus display like this. Our service is selected. Background color is okay. services. BTN class color red. LIN.BTN on drop down class drop down hover like drop down class and display inline block. Hover and drop down BTN red color. Okay, so this menu will display like this. Okay, whenever mouse hover on that particular image and background color is red color, if submenus is there, submenus display like this. So this is horizontal menu. Okay, so like this. So for any website, this is very important concept. So navigations are very important, and horizontal navigations is there. Horizontal navigations, and one more thing is vertical navigations also is there. So I will show one example on vertical navigations. So vertical navigations. Okay, so your task is vertical navigations. Okay, so complete one example on vertical navigation. Okay, so vertical navigations should display like this. If submenus is there, so submenus will display like this. Okay, horizontal menus will display like this. Okay, so your example is image sprite. Your task for today, image sprite and vertical navigations. Okay, so this menu will display like this. Vertical navigation. Okay, search on Google. So you will find number of examples. And next CSS concept is rounded corners. Rounded corner. So by using rounded corner image property, so border radius property, we can apply.
Sir,
Yes.
yeah, for vertical, like, we have to do the float as a right?
Sorry.
You told to do assignment as a vertical navigation, right?
Yes.
Yeah, for vertical navigation, we have to mention the float as right.
No, don't use float.
Okay.
Okay, just create, just take another list and apply CSS
Okay.
properties like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to implement horizontal navigations, use float left.
Okay. I got it.
Hmm. And rounded corners concept. So this is CSS3 concept. CSS3 concept. So border radius property, border radius property, property, use it to apply rounded corners. Rounded corners for any HTML element. Rounded corners for any HTML element. So for example, if you want to apply rounded corners for any div element, okay, div element or paragraph or text box, okay, so you can apply that rounded corners using border radius property. So border radius property apply different styles. So three different styles. First one is border color rounded corner, border color rounded corners, and the second one is border image rounded corners, image rounded corners, and third one is background image rounded corners. Okay, so rounded corners, you can apply rounded corners in three ways: border color rounded corner, and border image rounded corner, background image rounded corners. Background color rounded corner. Background color. The background color rounded corners, and border color rounded image, and background image and rounded corners. So create an HTML form, rounded corners, and create three div elements. So div elements, you can copy these three div elements from here. Okay, so you can apply rounded corners for these three div elements. Style tag as div1, div height and width, height 300 pixels and width 250 pixels. And the first one is background color, right? Background color, rounded corner. Background color is red color and the text color is white. Triple F and padding 10 pixel and margin 10 pixel And finally, border radius property. Border radius is 20 pixels. Okay, so that run this example once. Okay, first div element with the background color red color and text color white and padding and margin CSS properties applied, and one more CSS property is border radius property. So by using border radius property, we are applying rounded corners for this div. Okay, so if you remove this property, so div will display as square. Okay, squares. Okay, so if you apply border radius property, so rounded corners is applied, and you can increase this pixels up to 150. Okay, up to 150 we can increase these pixels. Okay, so like this you have to apply rounded corners for div or paragraph or text box also. And like this second div element, so this is background color for rounded corners, and for second div is border color rounded corners, and same CSS properties height, width, and border radius also. Instead of background color we can use border colors. Okay, border color. Text color is black, 000, and float left, and text color is black, border 1 pixel or 2 pixel border, and a solid border style, and the same border color. Float left. Okay, for first one also we need to apply float left. Okay, so background color rounded corners and border color rounded corners, and one more thing is background image rounded corners. Hash div 3 and same CSS properties. Instead of border we can use background image. URL of penguins.jpg. Okay, so background image is applied and with the rounded corners. Okay, so these are the three ways we can apply rounded corners. And if you want to apply rounded corners for text box, input type equal to text and placeholder first name. Okay, and class equal to txt text class. Dot txt class border 1 pixel border and solid, and we can use same color for border for text box, and border radius property just 20 pixels. You can see here text box is border color and the red color and rounded corners text box. So we can apply text box height. Okay, 30 pixel height text box. Okay, so you can change the font size also. Font size 20 pixels. So that font size also should be like this. You can copy these two properties and paste here. And the next, padding left. We can start the text from padding 20 pixels. Okay, from here we can start the text. Okay, so use inspect element in real time also, so that is very useful to you. Okay, inspect element, and right here write your CSS properties also here, and you can copy this CSS properties and do into your virtual web form. So like this we can apply rounded corners for any HTML element. Okay, div element, paragraph, or text box, or anything. And next one is image opacity. Okay, image opacity or transparency. If you want to display transparent images, you can use opacity property to display transparent images. Use opacity property to display transparent images. Transparent images. Okay, transparent images in web form. Okay, opacity property. Property takes values between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. So we can give the values for opacity property like opacity 0.2, 0.3. Okay, like this. 0.7 or 8. Okay, so like this we can give the values for opacity properties. So use opacity property to display transparent images. Transparent property. So create one HTML form. So take one image source equal to pnews.jpg and height 300 pixels and width also 300 pixels and alternate text. Okay, so run this example. So image is displaying with full opacity. Okay, but I want to display uh, transparent this image. Use style tag and by using element selector, opacity 0.6. Okay, so refresh this form. Okay, so image is transparent. Okay, you can increase this to 4. Okay, 0.4. Okay, so like this we can display transparent images. And one more thing is image over opacity 1. Okay, when our mouse pointer hover on that particular image will display with the full opacity. Okay, so when our mouse pointer hover on that particular image will display with the full opacity. And these are the CSS concepts. And one more concept is pending, box shadow. CSS box shadow property. Shadow property. So box shadow property used to apply shadows to any HTML elements. Box shadow property used to apply shadows to any HTML element. So this is very simple concept to apply shadows for any HTML element. So just use the box shadow property and apply pixels. Okay, and arrange the pixels. Box shadow property and with 10 pixel. Okay, 10 pixel. So like this we can apply to apply shadows for HTML elements. For example, take one div element, or we can apply shadows for this div elements also. Okay, for rounded corners. Okay, just use box shadow property, 10 pixels. So refresh this, and there is no box shadow for this div. Use background color, ten pixel, and gray color shadow. Okay, box shadow property. Left side, right side 10 pixel, bottom 10 pixel with gray color shadow. Okay, gray color, left side 10 pixel, right side 10 pixel, and bottom 10 pixel. And if you want to apply ten pixel, okay, so you have to use like this to display shadows. Okay, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel. So this 10 pixel is to display like this. Okay, shadow. Next, gray color. And one more property is text shadow property. Text shadow property. This property is used to apply shadow for text. Okay, shadow for text. This is also same text shadow property and with pixels. For example, take one paragraph. This is sample text content, and with ID is P1. P1, and the text color is use red color or any text color, and the text shadow property, and 1 pixel, and 1 pixel, and black color shadow, and 2 pixels. Okay, so this is the text with shadow. Okay, text with shadow. Next, comma, 0 space 0, black, black, pixels. Okay, shadow is applied like this. font size 20 pixels. Okay, shadow will apply like this. If you use like this, text shadow, okay, 1 pixel and 2 pixel shadow and black color, and these are the up and left side also. Okay, top and left side, and font size. Okay, to apply box shadow, you can use like this box shadow property, and you can apply this box shadow property for all divs. Okay, so all div elements are displayed with the shadow.